Howdy folks, I'm MammaCass. I'm going to do some quick little bits in UV. Excuse me. I'm going to do these, try and do these little dragons for the eggs. I want his little eye to be red. Then I think I'm going to do the rest with the Chameleon colours. And then fill it with like some clear and then black, like in a couple of layers, because it's quite a deep one. But I'm going to start with just the eyeballs. Look, the tiny little eyes. Okay. Okay, let's try taking that out, that'll do. Now let's go in with this on these bits here. I just want to get it on these bits if I can. I'm just going to take a bit of a gentle hand. That's good. Oh, getting a little bit of spillage. Into that bit there. With this, we'll go in like around the face here. Okay, I think that's covered. Now, we will go in with the clear. Now, I want to make sure it's all covered. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'll do a little squirt of alcohol to make sure there's no air bubbles. Put that out of the way. Lid on. And we'll go. Okay, shall we seal it? Or like heat it, UV it? I've got this black UV resin. Oh look. I can see air bubbles there where it hasn't fully sealed. Not too happy about that, but we'll see. The eye, I think, come out on this one. Look. How crazy is that? It's because I fiddled with it and I poked it and made the eye move. Look. Wow. This is going to be hard to work with. This is going to be fun, just to get any air bubbles out, let alone anything else. Okay, let's get that under the light, shall we? Hard. Okay. Now we'll go back in with clear to fill her up. I'm going to quickly blast it. Let's watch the process, shall we? Look at that. See, I'll have to cut that off. It's on the same one as the eye fell out as well. So at least we'll have one that's sort of almost perfect. Sun mould them. Okay, oh my gosh. And yes, the red eye's up there, which just looks like a horn now. It's actually sunk in, I think. But oh my god, that's so cute. And I can colour in the eye if I want to. I'll show you how. In. A little red eye. Not quite as perfect as the other one. And I've got to shave off these bits. But I'm really happy with it anyway. I think the chameleon powder is lovely. There's like that purpley blue and then the blue on blue. Wow. Okay. Oh my god. I can see bits that aren't quite set. I think anyway. Oh, maybe it's alright, it's just powder. Oh my god. Again, yeah, that wing is a little bit, could do, like there's an air bubble that's been there. But that's okay, that's okay. And nose. And a little bit of that bit. But isn't that gorgeous? So, there's my dragons.